Imagine this bowl is your brain. All day long, random stuff gets dumped into it. And every night, your brain dumps everything out again. But what happens when your brain gets too full? Ah! Luckily for you, there's a simple solution with these 2 steps. Step 1. You stop trash from getting in. Don't just let anybody dump their garbage into your brain, including yourself. Step 2. You can actually get things out again by doing these 2 things. By writing it down or by completing a task.